second year from GSMJ MA2. I'm currently doing a project about magnetic material. Start with trying out different material which mix with the ionophilics. So basically, it's just make the material itself is magnetic. The reason why I try different materials because I want to make a magnetic garment at the end of my final degree show. So yeah, this is resin, and this is rubber, and this one is resin. And the thing is that I can achieve now is use transparent rubber mixed with iron fillings. So basically